So when fishing the clamshell lures, such as the brads or the Yakima bait SpinFish, it's always a great idea to load them up with bait, as all that does is give you a good scent trail and it increases your odds of catching fish. There's a couple different options you can do. Is you can run canned tuna in oil, or you can run the ProCure fish nip. Both are a great option. What you want to do with the tuna in oil is drain out most of the juice. You don't have to go crazy, just get as much of it off as you can. Put your tuna in the jar. And what you can do is, if you have multiple jars, you can divide it up and have different scents and different combinations. When you get into late spring and the water starts warming up, I like to use a really heavily garlic scent. And what I'll do is I'll add a bunch of different things here, which I'll show you. And then on your other jar, just run the fish nip. As all this is ground up albacore tuna, and it's loaded with bite stimulants and some fish oils. So this one's definitely a little easier to deal with. So once you got that, as stated, I do like the garlic, and with that I'll run the garlic slamola powder as well as the garlic plus bait oil, and then I'll always add Monster Bite to it. I put that in most everything. So when you go to add it, just run a decent amount all over the tuna. And then with the slamola garlic, I put a little heavier dusting of it. Of quite a bit of that. It's got some bite stimulants in it as well. And then I'll add just a tiny bit of krill powder. This is very potent. It can overtake things, so you don't have to go crazy with it. And I just mix that up. And like I said, this has a fair amount of bite stimulants in it, so you don't necessarily have to add a bunch of Monster Bite to it. But it doesn't hurt at all to add bloody tuna. It's tuna, it's got some oils in it, but the bloody tuna, you can't go wrong with a little more. And with the bloody tuna, I also add krill to this too, but I go a little heavier on the krill in this one, just because it's a good potent fishy smell, and it does really quite well. Those two combinations work out very well. And once that's all ready, I'll put the seal on it and just leave it in there till the next day. When I go out that morning, I'll load up the clamshell lures and I'm good to go.